Hello students, welcome back to Statistics by Savita. Today I want to discuss with you a replacement theory. Replacement theory is on operation research. I chosen this chapter. It's a very easy chapter and must and should they ask a question. In section section E, either 54th question or 55th question is replacement theory only. Okay, replacement theory ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇ 54 ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ 55 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ವೆಂಟರಿ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ replacement theory is a compulsory question over here. That's why I want to discuss here. The first is a replacement theory. The definition: the replacement theory deals with the problem of deciding the age at which an item which deteriorates with the time has to be replaced by a new one. Here the deteriorate means it is a scrapped. Here it should be the replacement policy which would enables us in deciding the age at which the replacement of old equipments by a new one is most economical than the continuation of the old equipment at an increased maintenance cost. Okay, the replacement theory is nothing but it is a deals with the problem of deciding the age at which an item which is deteriorates with the time has to be replaced by a new one. Okay, the need for a replacement arises in the following situation. They may ask this as a 1 mark question. What is the define a replacement theory? And needs is a 2 mark question. Okay, or otherwise give any one need of a replacement theory. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 mark 2 marks ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, 5 marks ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, need for a replacement arises in the following situation. The first one, the item that has become inefficient with the passage of time. The item requires more cost for its maintenance as age increases. The maintenance increases and this passage this is a decreases. The third one is the item does not deteriorate with the time but suddenly fails. Example, electric bulbs or radio tubes, etc. The fourth one is a better or a more efficient design of the machine or equipment has become available in the market. That's why we have to change it by a new one, old one replacing by a new one. That's why these are the needs of a replacement theory. Okay, here the one formula is there for calculating a replacement theory. Just I will show you. Replacement theory, T of n is equals to P minus Sn plus summation of I is equals to 1 to n Ci. Here this is a T of n. That's why A of annual average annual cost is equals to P minus Sn plus summation of I is equals to 1 to n Ci divided by n. Here P is a capital cost. P is a capital cost, or it is also called as a purchase price. Purchase price. Sn is a resale value. Sn is a resale value or salvage rate or scrap value. Salvage or scrap value. Then Ci is a maintenance cost. Maintenance cost or service cost. It is also called as a service cost. Then n is a number of years. Okay, this you have to. P is a capital cost, Sn is a resale value, Ci is a maintenance cost or service cost, n is a number of years, 1 year, first year, second year, third year, like that. Okay. Then if I have to take a one example over here, just I will take a one example. The first example only I will explain here. The maintenance cost and a resale value per year of a machine whose purchase price rupees 7,000 is given below. Here, just to observe the example one in page number 55, the capital cost or purchase price is given. P is given, that is 7,000. Here, just to observe, N is given as a 1, 2, 3 up to a 6. It is given in the question only. The CI is given and SN is given. Okay, what you are doing the next column, you have to calculate P minus SN. P is a 7,000 over here. 7,000 minus 4,000, that is a 3,000. 7,000 minus 2,000, that is 5,000. 7,000 minus 1,200, that is 5,800. Next 7,000 minus 600, that is a 6,400. Minus 500, 6,500. Minus 400, 6,600. This is a P minus SN. Then how we calculated this one? Summation of CI is a next column. Summation of CI means it is a this if have to go on calculating LCF less than cumulative frequency calculate ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು 900 as it is first year. The first and second year if have to add it, the maintenance cost of first year and second year, 900 plus the 1,200, that is 2,100. Then you have to add all the three, then 3,700. 3,700 plus 2,100, that is 5,800. 5,800 plus 2,800, that is 8,600. 8,600 plus 3,700, that is a 12,300. This is summation of CI. Must and should you have to calculate. ನೋಡಿಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 5 marks ಗೆ very easy example. ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರೀ columns calculate ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತಿಲ್ಲೇ. Okay. Then the next column is T of n. I showed here T of n. What is a T of n? That is a P minus SN plus summation of CI. P minus SN you calculated. Summation of CI you calculated. Then you are adding these two columns. 3,000 plus 900. That is 3,900. This is 7,100. And this is 9,500. Go on adding all this P minus SN plus summation of CI. You are adding and you are writing a row wise, column wise. Okay. Row side you are writing. Then afterwards, this T of n divided by n. A of n is equals to annual average cost is equals to this T of n divided by n. 3,900 divided by 1. That is 3,900. 7,100 divided by 2. 3,550. 9,500 divided by 3. That is 3,166.67. 12,200 divided by 4, that is 3,050. Like that, go on, you are calculating it. This divided by 5, this divided by 6. You are writing all the values after dividing it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then afterwards, what you have to do? You have to just you check which one is a minimum value here. Which one is a minimum value? Then come to that 3,020 is a minimum value. Then if have to conclude that from the above table we observe average annual cost is minimum in the 5th year. Minimum in the 5th year. Hence the machine should be replaced at the end of 5th year. The machine should be replaced at the end of 5th year. You have to replace it by 5th year. Must and should you have to mention it. Otherwise you lose a 1 mark over here. Illa andre 1 mark kalkotir ನೀವು. Must and should the table. This table carries a 4 marks. This 1, 2, 3, 4 marks. And this carries a 1 mark. That is a 5 marks totally. Okay, got it all of you? Okay. Then example 2. Example 2, just you observe. The machine A cost rupees 9,000, annual operating cost rupees 200 for the first year and then increase by rupees 2,000 every year for the next 4 years. Determine the best age at which to replace the machine. Assume that the machine has a no resale value. No resale value means the SN is 0. SN is a 0. The machine A cost rupees 9,000. Then P is equals to 9,000. Then annual operating cost is to the annual operating cost or service cost or maintenance cost, that is CI. CI is equals to a 200 for the first year. Then increase by 2,000 every year for the next 4 years. 2,000 increase ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2,000 for the next 4 years andar avaru. That's why you have to take it as a 5 years, up to a 5 years. Then P is 9,000 and SN is 0. Then P minus SN is 9,000 only. That 9,000. Then if have to take it as a next column is CI, summation of CI. Summation of CI is 200 as it is. 200 plus 2,200, 2,400. 2,400 plus 4,200, that is a 6,600. That go on calculating. That becomes as a 21,000. Keep it as it is here. Then P minus SN plus summation of CI. Mat ideredu calculate madbadri. This P minus SN plus summation of CI. 9,000 plus 200. 9,200. 9,000 plus 2,400. That is 11,400. Then you have to calculate all the values like that. P minus SN plus summation of CI. This A of n is equals to T of n divided by n. 9,200 divided by 1. 11,400 divided by 2. 15,600 divided by 3. Like that you have to calculate over here. After calculating this, which one is minimum here? 5,200 is a minimum value. A of n is a minimum for n is equals to 3. Then thus the machine has to be replaced at the end of third year. At the end of the third year. Okay. Usually in the previous question paper, in the previous 5 years question paper, I observed usually they give compulsory the table only. Compulsory table only. But sometimes if theory based problem is also given, if have to take like that. Okay. Just I explain one more theory based problem is here. The example 3. The cost of an equipment is rupees 61,000 and its scrap value is 1,000. The maintenance cost found from the past experience are as follows. At what year is the replacement due? Okay. Here scrap value is given here only. And the cost of an equipment is 61,000 and scrap value is 1,000. The maintenance cost is given. The maintenance cost is given. Then you have to calculate here. The year, you have to take it year. Okay. The P minus SN, that is 60,000, 61,000 minus 1,000, that is a 60,000. CI is given. Summation of CI, you have to calculate P minus SN plus summation of CI, and A of n is equals to T of n divided by n. Okay. This is a one more type of problem where the P and SN is given in the question only. Not a column wise, only CI they given in a column. Then you have to calculate the whole P minus SN, you have to calculate, and CI, summation of CI, then you have to take it as a T of n and A of n, annual average cost. The one more here, the following are the maintenance and depreciation cost per year of a vehicle whose purchase price is rupees 50,000. Here the depreciation cost is given. In the model question paper we discussed in the model question paper, that also is having a depreciation cost. In the midterm exam also they given, not midterm, preparatory exam also they given as a depreciation cost. Depreciation cost is nothing but that is a P minus Sn, it is already calculated. P minus Sn already calculate ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಾರ ನಿಮ್ಗ. This is Ci is given. Then you have to calculate summation of Ci, only summation of Ci plus this. That is T of n. Next you have to calculate it as a of n. Depreciation cost. Keep remember, the depreciation cost is nothing but that is a P minus Sn. It is a P minus Sn. This completes the replacement theory problems. Replacement theory problems. Okay. This is a very important problem. The 4 types of problems is there. One is the resale value they give and maintenance cost they give. You have to calculate. And one is a resale, no resale value, only the purchase price and maintenance cost they give. You have to calculate. Okay, then the one more is maintenance cost and resale value they give in the problem only. The CI they give in the column wise. You have to calculate summation of CI and you have to take it as a, okay, in the above only you have to calculate P minus Sn and write it. Okay, and the one more is that is a depreciation cost. Depreciation cost is nothing but that is a ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ. Depreciation cost is nothing but that is a P minus Sn. P minus Sn. Okay, have to keep remember. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. That's why. Okay, this completes your replacement theory. In the next video I will give you the linear programming problem or transportation problem or game theory. The operation research only I will do all the one chapters, one video. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Subscribe, like and comment the video.